Hello, so ito yung reading natin for Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, take only what resonates. Please do like and subscribe, guys. Kung hindi ka man nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, hit the notification bell. Ma-appreciate ko po lahat ng likes, comments, and share. Let's start your reading. This is for Earth sign. Wait lang guys, i-shuffle ko lang yung card ha. Sana po mag-comment kayo sa baba kahit po heart lang. Smileys, malaking bagay yun sa akin. Wait lang guys, medyo mahirap siyang i-shuffle kasi medyo luma tong nagamit kong card. But anyway. For Earth sign. Okay. Let's start. 5 of Wands. And the 2 of Pentacles. Kunin ko na rin yung energy ng person na connect mo, which is the main energy. 7 of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. Ayan. The Sun and the Queen of Cups. Okay. Some of you could be dealing with 2 people or 2 person dito. Dalawang connection with the 2 of Pentacles. 5 of Wands, medyo challenging. Part of you is nagiging wishy-washy. Kumbaga katulad ng seesaw. There are times na mas matimbang yung isa. There are times na mas matimbang yung pangalawa. So parang, diba? Mahirap i-balance. It is something na nagiging challenging lalo para sa'yo because hindi mo alam parang nabanggit ko nga yung seesaw kanina. Yung sa laruan na seesaw or anong tawag dito. Hindi ko alam kung ano sa Tagalog yun But anyway, mahirap siya i-balance. Lagi siyang yung isa nasa taas, yung isa nasa baba, and then vice versa. Hindi mo alam kung saan yung mas matimbang. And then with the 5 of Wands, nagkakaroon ng kaguluhan deep inside sa'yo. And sa pinaka-reality, dahil dito, yung realidad mo, if you're someone who is already in a relationship or yung iba live-in, nandun yung may mga dapat kang i-consider, and then may mga times na ayaw mo na, gusto mo nang ibigay or bitawan, mga ganun. Masyado kang magulo kung ano yung gusto mong mangyari or dapat mong gawin dahil sa challenges na ito. The Sun and the Queen of Cups, I feel like na ito yung energy ng pwedeng person or wait lang guys, ayusin ko lang yung card yung table. Okay. So ito yung energy ng person na parang ito yung nakakapagpasaya sa'yo with the Queen of Cups. There's love, there's something about this person na ang hirap i-ignore. Diba? You like this person so much. Gusto mo siya. But I don't know, it feels like there's temptation. Gusto mo or masaya ka dito sa person na to, pero there's temptation kasi either marami yung magagalit or very challenging yung connection mo with this person. So on and so forth. So, Tingnan natin emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa. Queen of Swords is here. Followed by the Knight of Pentacles. Ten of Cups is also here. Four of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, emotions mo with the Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles. Gusto mong i-cut off yung you want to be honest sa sarili mo. Gusto mo maging totoo sa sarili mo. Kasi mahirap na ikaw mismo hindi ka nagiging totoo sa sarili mo. Alam mo kung ano yung totoo. Alam mo talaga kung ano yung gusto mo or feel mo na dapat mong gawin. But yeah, part of you want to be honest sa sarili mo. And with the Knight of Pentacles, I feel like hindi mo alam kasi kung anong gagawin dito eh. Emotionally, alam mong dapat may i-cut off. Pero ang hirap. And the person that you're dealing with, I see a lot of love sa kanya. And both of you, energy niyong dalawa to eh. Tapos with the Four of Wands, parang alam mo yung like a power couple energy. Pag nagkaroon ng pagsasama or connection sa inyo, both of you will become more stable, may pinatutunguhan, nag-grow yung connection, so on and so forth. And not only the connection, pero money, usaping pera, there's growth, there's parang nagfa-flourish or mas maganda yung kinalalabasan because both of you are like may compatibility or compatible reading energy dito sa connection nyo. And I can feel the energy of parang okay yung partnership na sa inyong dalawa nito person na to kasi the more you connect with each other, the more na habang tumatagal nag-grow at gumaganda or nagiging mas magaling. Sabi ko nga, pwedeng mas lalong yumayaman. I can see the picture of a swan here. Sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung swan actually it's a very beautiful bird, 'di ba? A species of bird. And dun sa kwento, it's a famous children story. Ano tawag dito? Bedtime story. Na yung ugly duckling, you know that? Na which is, yung itlog ng swan ay naligaw doon sa sa nest ng ducks, which is ito ang kinikwento ko kasi may connection ito doon sa reading. So nung nag-crack yon, iba ang itsura at saka pangit, hindi siya tinatanggap ng kanyang mga kapatid or what kasi nga pangit ang itsura niya. But then, to cut the story short, nung siya ay lumaki, nung siya ay, naging fully grown swan, na-realize na hindi pala siya duck, at nakakalipad siya, maganda yung kanyang, itsura. So, I feel like yung energy ng connection ninyo is both of you are currently nasa sitwasyon na parang nakakaranas ng pagkapangit or karmic energy, 'di ba? It could be you, it could be this person na naka-experience ng pagkapangit ng hindi naman pagkapangit na literal na itsura ganto ganyan. But the situation, maraming karmic energy doon na na-experience. And then the more you connect with yourself, kasi hindi niya naman talaga pwedeng ipilit kung hindi talaga yon. Katulad nga doon sa story ng swan and the duck. Hindi niya pwedeng ipilit na siya ay maging duck or ipilit ang sarili niya sa pagiging duck kung siya talaga ay swan. So meaning to say, kayong dalawa, both of you, dapat hindi niyo ipilit yung sarili niyo sa sitwasyon, sa tao, na hindi talaga para sa inyo. Kasi hindi naman kayo nag-grow doon. And at the same time, ang reason lang kung bakit nyo na-meet yung mga taong iyon sa buhay ninyo is for you to grow. Diba? For you to experience itong extraordinary life na na-experience ninyo. And for them to teach you a lesson. So, in the near future, tell me about the near future. The near future, you do have the Three of Wands and the Page of Cups. The Three of Cups and the Eight of Swords. Okay. The Four of Pentacles is at the bottom of the deck. A lot of hidden energy dito, pagtatago. Three of Wands and Page of Cups. I'm feeling like may mga mamimit kang tao or makakausap kang tao na part of your childhood or part of your past. Three of Cups, I can see reconciliation. Nakita nga pala ako ng pirate. I don't know, something to do with pirate. Or yung literal na palabas yung Pirate of the Caribbean. I don't know. Maybe bago ka manood ng video na to, may mga napanood or chinek ka na something to do with pirate. The Three of Cups, the Eight of Swords. So I can see reconciliation with the past. Pero may boundaries or parang hindi magiging ganun ka-open. Like may mga reason, like some kind of blockage or stagnant energy. Pero nandun yung pagka-miss or longing mo na magkaroon ng pag-uusap or connection or communication with this person. Kaya lang, the person is quite busy with something. So, may mga tao in the past na mababalik, but may busy energy dito. Parang hindi magiging okay yung time para magkaroon ng maayos na connection or communication sa inyo. So anyway, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.